Welcome to the Poor Man's Gourmet Kitchen, where we share gourmet recipes at a low-budget wonder. Now check this out.
First thing you want to do is make sure that you're prepared for this holiday season with my new ebook, Thanksgiving Side Dishes and Casseroles. And make sure you download my app from the Google Play Store. It's free for your computer or any Android device. Access to over 300 of my recipes, the exact ingredients, and a video tutorial for each one. Now here I've got a large pot of boiling water, and I'm going to go ahead and season this with salt. And I'm going to take an entire package of angel hair pasta, put it right in the center, and drop it evenly. This will ensure that none of the strands of pasta will stick to one another as they drop into the boiling water and soften. And it'll only take about 1.5 minutes before they're fully submerged. And just a few minutes to cook these until they are al dente. And what you're looking for is a noodle that isn't really sticky. You can just pull one out, and if you can pull it apart without the stretching and it just breaks off, you're pretty much good to go. Because even when you take them to the sink and strain, they're still cooking. And they're going to cook even more when we add our sauce later, so don't even sweat it. I usually just like to add it back to the same pot. And to keep them from sticking, I'm going to add some oil. I'm using coconut, but you can use canola, vegetable oil, even olive oil will work. The important thing is that you get this mixed in thoroughly. Spreading these out on a cookie sheet and thinning out the layer will help separate the heat and keep them from sticking as well. But that'll be up to you. Now I like to just let this rest and chop some garlic, grate some fresh ginger, pluck and chop some fresh basil leaves, green onion, and I like to use red onion if I'm going to be cooking shrimp or chicken. Now when it comes to the sauce, it's crazy unbelievably simple. Believe it or not, it's ketchup, sweet chili sauce, and if you can handle more kick, sriracha. Just mix these 3 ingredients until they're smooth and give it a quick taste. Make sure it's to your liking. It'll be sweet and spicy. Now in a hot pan I'm going to melt down some coconut oil. And over medium-high heat I'm going to add the ginger and garlic. And just as soon as the garlic turns white, I'm going to add a portion of the noodles. And it's really important to go ahead and pan fry these noodles and get that flavor incorporated through and through. Even though this is a quick and easy recipe, cooking on a colder stove takes a little bit longer than it would in a wok over a 1-foot flame. Your noodles should look a little dried out. And once they do, you can go ahead and add your sauce. And you don't need as much as you'd think. This sauce goes a long way. It's not spaghetti, you know. You don't have to drown it in flavor. It's already concentrated enough. Just pan fry and give the same attention you gave the first time around when you pan fried the noodles without sauce. It really shouldn't take more than a full minute. And once you're convinced it's spread out pretty evenly, you can go ahead and add your green onion and your basil. Now all you need is a dash of sesame oil. And be absolutely sure to use that sparingly, because it can make or break your dish. Just give another good stir, another good toss, and once it looks something like this here, you're ready to serve. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Click the bell to receive new notifications and new video recipes. A little more green onion and fresh chopped basil. And this is completely optional, but I love to grate in some fresh Parmesan cheese. It really makes this fusion complete. Italian pasta and cheese with Asian sauce ingredients. And there you have it, spicy noodles right here in the Poor Man's Gourmet Kitchen.
Thank you for watching, and be sure to stop by PoorMansGourmetKitchen.com for more recipes and exact ingredients.